pasensya. Sorry kasi things didn't work out the way we wanted it to. Sorry kasi nasaktan ko siya. Sorry sa lahat na nagawa ko. Sorry sa mga promises na hindi natupad. But at the same time, gusto ko siya pasalamatan kasi those years with her were the best years of my life. Not gonna lie, and everything was real. Lahat nung naramdaman ko, lahat nung ginawa ko for her, I did it because I loved her. Yung memories na yun na pinagsamahan namin will forever remain in my heart and in my mind. Hindi mababago yun. And for Jai, I wish you nothing but the best. And thank you for the memories. Thank you for everything. You're one of the happiest and jolly at mapagmahal sa magulang na tao kilala ko. Sana wag ka magbabago. I know you deserve the best. And I'm just here. Amidst everything, dito na ako para supportahan ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Sana magkita tayo ulit soon at sana magka-bonding tayo once na okay na ang lahat.
There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need